Pineapple tea. Hi, it's Audrey, or Elijah and Adriana show. And what are we doing today?
Making slime!
Slime? Goose slime with what? What do you guys have?
Context solution.
Say it in order.
Context solution.
Alright, so what do we have done so far?
This.
Whoa.
Okay, oh, so you have blue. What is that blue? Why is it blue?
Because we only found this blue.
What is that?
Right here.
Food coloring.
Big coloring.
How many drops did you put in yours?
I put 15.
You put like 12, I think, Audrey.
I didn't put any.
Oh, blub.
I know.
Okay, so Elijah, how many are you going to put in yours?
4.
Okay. I think that's about what I did.
I'm not being worried.
Okay.
One of them splatted.
Splatted everywhere. Why is your hair orange? It was crazy hair day at school. Where'd you go, Elijah? It's right here. We're using these handy tools to stir pencils. Our stir sticks. And what is your cup that you're using?
A Jello cup.
A Jello cup. Very reusable, handy dandy snack cups. Rinse them out and they're good for crafts and stuff and making goo, right?
Yeah!
All right. So what's our next step?
First you want to do is add the glue. And then after you do add the glue,
Context
you
solution.
want to add any food coloring you want, or you can just make a white.
Oh, pink.
Don't look at me, look at the phone. You talking to them, not me?
I know that.
If you use red, if you try to make a potato, it just
A
makes
potato?
pink.
Why would you make a potato? Duh. Potatoes are yummy.
Yeah.
Okay, stay there though.
You want to mix it?
Don't move.
Now what do I do?
Okay.
You put contact solution.
You guys look at this, okay? So now let's see if it works. If it's true what they say. Elmer's glue and contact solution. Go ahead and add some here. Turn it over to the cap's not facing down. There you go. Yep. Pour it in. Do a squirt. Probably some more. Let it back to the hood. Alright, next.
Okay.
And stir it.
Oh no.
So first we just put the food coloring in and mixed it in really good. Got it all mixed in. Now we're adding contact solution. Don't try that at home.
Don't try that one, guys.
Get in, stay right there.
Even don't do it on the
Look at it.
blue.
You're out of the... Mama, get closer. Stay right there. I'm not moving it. Can't see you there.
Look at this, guys. So awesome.
Okay, so what's going on? What's happening with it? Is it true?
No.
Contact solution and glue, is it working?
No.
Keep mixing.
I'm mixing it.
1 hour later. Nothing yet? You think we need more
You
solution?
should add
Yeah.
Here, bon appetit.
No, I want
I mean pineapple tea.
pineapple
to tell them.
That's our little thing that we say because Adriana thought when you say bon appetit, she thought they were saying pineapple tea. So she said that one day when we were going to have dinner and it stuck with us since then. It's our little thing. Pineapple tea.
Pineapple tea, you guys.
Mine's making little bubbles.
Can't see you, Audrey.
And remember,
I can only see your hands.
remember pineapple tea.
Scoot in.
Pineapple tea.
Okay. Is it working?
No.
At the end we'll do this pineapple tea.
Okay, so what are we going to do then? If the contact solution isn't working, that's a bust. So then what should we do?
Laundry detergent.
Laundry.
Or shaving cream.
Laundry detergent. Let's see, where is it? Oh, it's in the car. Gonna have to go get it. We're gonna have to pause.
Bye.
Don't move, guys. Pause. Okay, so we're back. And we have this Gain. I went ahead and poured some in the cap right there for you guys. Go ahead. Whoever's first. Alright, you put a little in there. Let me see.
I poured a little.
Okay, let me see. You got some in there too? Okay, good.
A lot.
Now let's see what happens with that.
Oh, it's working. Look at it. Look at it.
Is it working?
Yep.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Let's see. Oh, it's starting to clump up, huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at that. All right, with just a little bit of soap.
I should put the drink there.
So you think the contact solution was needed?
No.
No.
Probably not, huh? So what do you think we need then?
Soap.
Just glue and soap?
Glue soap. Guys.
Oh, wow, look it. It's really turning into goo, huh? Keep mixing it. Oh, Audrey, you're just going to make a big mess.
Okay, this is me.
Yeah, just keep mixing.
Just keep
Oh, wait.
mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing, mixing. What do? You mix.
But look at that, Mom. Look at
Mm-hmm.
guys.
Yeah.
All right.
No sticking tape up. We can't touch it now, Mom.
If you want, if you mix it enough.
Oh, no. Look. I did not.
All right, so we safely say, you want me to help you mix it? I think it needs more
Wait, we
soap.
don't know yet.
Add a little more. Oh, shoot.
Almost spit out. Okay, I'll pour a little bit. This is how much you need is.
All right.